And thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you can clearly see, this is one of our large A-style Falk gearboxes. We're doing a rebuild for one of our clients that manufacture rubber gum. So National Gear Repair manufactured a new low-speed pinion to the exact same specs, Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness, and we carburized that with about 70,000 carburizations depth. We will now begin the reassembly process. Replaced all bearings and seals. Had to press on this new grid-style coupling. And all of our mechanics here at National Gear Repair are Falk certified and Falk Renew School, as well as Dodge, Hanson, and Philadelphia. Not to mention, National Gear Repair is Timken bearing certified. All of our bearings are put on with liquid nitrogen to shrink the shafts. And then we use a bearing induction oven to expand our bearings. And we can slip everything on or slide everything on, not to force any bearings on. All of these bearing preloads and all the bearing clearances will be set back to Falk's original manufacturer specs. Please continue to watch. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you've clearly seen in that video tutorial, National Gear Repair did a full rebuild on this Falk A model, and we manufactured a new low-speed pinion, reground the matching mating gear to have a little better tooth content. Nevertheless, our mechanics here are all Falk certified, and all our bearings that was installed was done properly and recommended from Timken. We have a bearing induction oven. Our bearings are expanded. We shrink the shaft with liquid nitrogen and reassemble all our bearing floats and preloads, what's recommended from Falk. and I'm sure you've seen that in the video tutorial. Nevertheless, this box was done in less than 10 business days. If by any chance you have an emergency rush repair order, National Gear Repair can have you up and running within 24 to 48 hours, including manufacturing all gearing. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video channel. Thank you again for watching.